Intel Celeron. Intel Celeron was Intel's weakest processor, designed for extremely basic tasks like typing documents. It was discontinued in 2023. The reason it was so weak is that it was originally a standard Intel chip with manufacturing defects, so Intel disabled the faulty cores and sold it as Celeron. That's why it struggles the moment you open more than one browser tab. Intel Pentium. Intel Pentium was similar to Celeron, discontinued in 2023, but slightly more powerful and more expensive. It could run Office apps more smoothly and even handle light games like classic Doom. Intel Atom. Intel Atom is an ultra-low power processor for small and portable devices. You'll find it in point-of-sale machines, digital kiosks in malls and airports, and security cameras. It consumes very little electricity, so it doesn't need fans or large cooling systems. Core i3. Core i3 is Intel's entry-level processor designed for basic computing and light multitasking. It comes with 4 to 6 cores, enough for browsing, watching videos, and working on documents. You can even play some light games, but if you try running heavy tasks like rendering or modern games, expect some lagging and stuttering. At the end of the CPU name, you'll sometimes find a letter called a suffix. The U suffix means lower power consumption for less heat and longer battery life. The F suffix means no integrated graphics, so you'll need a dedicated GPU, but it's cheaper, and the T suffix is designed for low-power desktops. Core i5. Intel Core i5 is a mid-tier processor and one of the most popular CPUs out there. Still affordable but noticeably more powerful than the i3, it comes with 6 to 14 cores, making it great for photo and video editing, programming, and gaming. One important thing to keep in mind is that a higher tier doesn't always mean faster if it's from an older generation. A newer generation i3 can actually match an older generation i5, because newer generations bring major performance improvements. For laptops, the U suffix is for everyday use, while the H suffix is for gaming laptops with higher performance but greater power consumption. On desktop, the K suffix means overclocking support, but it requires better cooling, such as liquid cooling. Core i7. Intel Core i7 is a high-performance processor for content creators and users who need to run heavy programs while multitasking. It comes with 8 to 20 cores. For laptops, the HX suffix delivers much higher performance than H, but requires larger cooling systems. On desktop, the KF variant supports overclocking but has no integrated graphics, making it cheaper than the standard K. Many people today prefer Ryzen 7 over Core i7 because it runs cooler at a similar or lower price. Core i9. Intel Core i9 is Intel's flagship processor for professionals and tech enthusiasts. It comes with 16 to 24 cores, making it extremely powerful for studio-level 3D modeling, ultra-settings gaming, and 4K video editing. In gaming though, Ryzen 9 with X3D technology outperforms it by boosting gaming performance without consuming extra power. The truth is, most people don't need this processor. It's really only for professionals. Core Ultra. Intel Core Ultra is the newest generation of the Core series, found in laptops like the Asus ROG and Lenovo Legion. What makes it unique is a built-in NPU dedicated to AI tasks, so instead of burdening the CPU, the NPU handles those tasks. Real-world examples include background blur in video calls and AI generative fill in DaVinci Resolve and Photoshop, but it's really only suited for professional editors and designers. Intel vPro. Intel vPro is a special business variant found in office and enterprise laptops. It features Intel's AMT technology, allowing IT admins to remotely update, control, and lock devices without fixing them one by one. It also has total memory encryption, so if someone tries to steal your data, it will be completely unreadable. Intel Xeon. Intel Xeon is built for powerful workstations and servers handling heavy-duty tasks like large-scale simulations, data centers, and cloud computing. It comes with up to 120 cores and supports multi-CPU setups on the same motherboard.